Dear customer, if you have a Taiwan, Hejin or Hetai 7.5 Tong Thai casting machine and you need some spare parts, please feel free to contact us. All these spare parts are made in Taiwan. It's the original made in Taiwan, okay? It's the heater. Okay. All these are spare parts. All this is spare parts. And this is the lin. Different lin. Okay, different lin. Different lin, okay. And all this simple. This simple using life is more than 1 year can be used. Also this heating bar, simple heating pipe, heating tube. Okay. So if you are interested to buy the spare parts for Taiwan 7.5 die casting machine, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.